I want you guys to pay more attention that by just writing comments, do I get paid? You can see guys, already I have earned 262 points. Okay, by just writing comments, you can see guys, I just need to write some comments and I'm getting points for that. And similar to these points, you can redeem the cash in your PayPal account. Okay, I just need to type nice product. Okay, just that simple guys, that simple, just need to post it. Okay, just need to post this comment. Okay, and I'm getting paid for that comment. Okay, just posting this comment, I'm getting paid. You can see, just wait for this time and you can see guys, my points are added. Okay, how much points? 15 points. You can see guys, by just writing a comment. Do you know how you can yourself can earn a good amount of money from this website? Just watch along this video guys and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just posting reviews and comments. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online from this website. Guys, especially this website is for women's. Okay, don't worry if you are a man. Okay, men's are watching this video. You can also earn this some points from by just doing some surveys. So basically I just gave you a description about this website. So it's the website name is momsmeet.com. so what you need to do from this, you just need to see guys, you just need to do product reviews. Okay, just comment on some blogs and see some resources, and that's it. Okay, this is a good website where you can try out various services. You can watch articles and all, and you can see guys, you are getting paid points. Okay, just like a cryptocurrency, you are getting paid for that. Okay, so you can see guys, you can watch videos, events and contests. You can give your own recipes. Okay, product reviews that I have already told you. There are some coupons for shopping and some forum. Okay, so it's a United States website guys. Okay, so let me just log in and show you how it works. Okay, then only you believe on my words that how to earn by just giving reviews or just writing comments. Okay guys, just need to click on this join button. Okay, just click on this join button. Okay, and this will redirected you to, you can see, this will redirected you to this page. Okay, so how we can join this website? So you can apply. There are 3 categories guys. Okay, community member, okay, mom ambassador, blog ambassador. Okay, you can become any one of them. Okay, so I just want to tell you that you just be a blog ambassador. Don't worry guys, you do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. You do not have to spend anything. Okay, so there is different kind of some liabilities that will extend. Okay, by becoming an ambassador you are getting paid more. Okay, so I just so this is especially for moms. Okay, so don't worry guys, you can create your account of your sister or your mother as well. Okay, and I just show you for my mom. Okay, so I just create an account for my mother. Okay, so just create it. Just type in. Okay, and okay, so I just gave a email ID. Okay, so I have given it. Okay, so create password, you just fill your password. Okay, just retype it and give a date of birth. You can give any date of birth of your mom. Okay, I just gave them 80. Okay, you can give a zip code. Okay, and select. You can see guys, how did you heard? You can just give web search. Okay, so just click on this submit button. Okay, and that's it. That's it. That's what it all requires to just log in. Okay, it is very easy, guys. You can do it, and there is joining bonus that you receive, joining points. I should tell you that some points that you receive, and instant, guys, just by typing reviews and just by doing some surveys, you are getting paid from this website. Okay, and it's absolutely free of cost, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. Okay, so it will take some time by doing the registration, you can see. So this is your dashboard, guys. Okay, this is your dashboard. I'll teach you. Before that, guys, you can see, guys, earlier it is 100 points. Now I'll have received 202 points. Okay, so for joining we can receive some points. Okay, so just, guys, I just want to tell you guys that you should first complete your profile. Okay, you can see that 64% profile is only completed. Just click on this complete profile, and I just want to tell you that please complete your profile so that you can receive good payment. Okay, so you can see community member. Right now I can apply for mom ambassador and blog ambassador as well. Okay, so just for a demo purpose, guys, I just show you demo. Okay, you can you should have to give your mother or sister's photograph. Okay, guys, so just type in address, city, state or province, country, okay, and your phone number, and that's it, guys. Okay, that's it, what you need to do. So I just quickly do it. Okay, just okay, so you can give your phone number as well. Okay, so that's it, guys. I just need to click on this save changes. Okay, just click on this save changes, and you can see, guys, just wait for some time and your profile is done. Okay, just wait for some time. Okay, so it will take some time to complete your profile. You can see, guys, 100% completed. My profile is 100% completed. Now what you need to do, guys, you just come up on this. You can see, guys, there are lots and lots of ways where you can earn money. Okay, I just show you how by just reviewing your products, and there are ample of products, guys: food, beverages, personal care, health and wealth and health. Okay, pregnancy and baby, kids. So you can see, guys, just for food I just review one food. Okay, review. You can see, guys, there are different food materials. Okay, by just reviewing these products, and these are absolutely genuine products, guys. Okay, so if I just want to review a product, okay, I just want to review, just click on this. If I just want to review, and you can see, guys, okay, I just want to write. You can see, just you need to click on this, write a review. Okay, and what you need to do, guys, you can see, you just need to give some stars. I just want to recommend you to give 5 stars, and just you need to give product review. Okay, so what product review you can give? So I just gave what you can say, that nice food product. Okay, product. Okay, I just gave this thing. And guys, make sure that you do not just duplicate these comments. Otherwise, guys, your comments will not be accepted. Okay, just click on this post comment, and you can see, guys, it will take some time to review my product, and I'm getting points. Okay, guys, so you can see, guys, just wait for some time, and you can see, guys, 15 points just by reviewing just by giving a comment. Okay, so there are lots and lots of products you have seen. Okay, sample products, you can see there are some resources as well. Okay, which you can do. Okay, you can see, guys, group program. Okay, you can join this group program. I just click on this one of this program. Okay, just click on this group program, and you can see, guys, Okay, I just need to comment on this thing as well, and just posting comment you are getting paid. Okay, just posting comment. Okay, so what it is, so it's a cookies. Okay, so it's a cookies, so I can give good product and tasty. Okay, by just giving this comment, just post it and see how much points I got. Okay, see how much points I got. Just wait for this time, and you can see, guys, yeah, I get some points. Okay, 15 points I guess. Okay, 15 points I get. Oh yeah, 15 points I get. Okay, so just do it, guys. Okay, you can see there are lots and lots of products. Okay, just click on this product reviews and you will find lots and lots of products. Okay, you can do the reviews for other products as well. You can see, guys, there are ample of products. Okay, view all. Okay, just click on this view all and you are getting paid for these products. Okay, just collect lots and lots of points, guys. Lots and lots of points you can collect. You can see hundreds and hundreds of products it will have. Okay, you can see there are having 20 pages. Okay, so you just hover over these things, and by just comments on blog. Okay, you can see this blog section. Just click on this blog section and you can get points by just clicking by just commenting on these blogs. You can see, guys, there are lots and lots of blogs. Okay, so let me just take one blog. Okay, just click on this blog. Okay, I just want to comment on this blog. So what should I do? I just come up downside and what is blog, what it is about. So you just need to just read it, guys. It will take hardly 5 minutes to read. Okay, so I just gave best blog. Okay, just gave this comment. Okay, I just click post. Okay, let me cross my fingers so that it should not be duplicate comment. Okay, and yeah, it's not, and I just get 15 more points. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. Okay, you can see it's very easy. Just write down some points. Okay, write down some comments and you are getting points. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. Now you can see there are hundreds and hundreds of products and their reviews. Okay, and you can get. So now I just come up on this reward. Okay, just come up on this rewards. Okay, just come up on this rewards section. Okay, and I show you how you receive this money from these points. Okay, you can see, guys, I am having 247 points. So in order to redeem all my rewards, what should I do, guys? I just need to get these all packages. Okay, you can see, guys, just click on this view all packages. I just need to complete these all levels, then only the payment option would be shown on that thing. You can see, guys, I need to complete these levels. Okay, for that, what should I do? 7 more comments I need to do each level 1 and earn 50 bonus points. Okay, so these levels, these are the 4 levels, guys, only 4 levels, and when you reach to this level, you can apply for redeeming money. Okay, which is equivalent to how much money? I guess for 1000 points you will receive $10. Okay, and it's absolutely easy, guys. You just need to just write comments. Okay, guys, and you can write more comments, guys, hundreds of comments. I have shown you live that how to write it. Okay, there are some forums as well which you can perform. Okay, just commenting on these forums and you are good to go. Okay, you can see, guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of replies and discussions that you can see on for cardiac disease, diabetes, and it's actually good for you guys as well. Why? Because, guys, it's a genuine website. Okay, you just need to read articles, grab some more education, and you are getting paid for that same thing. Okay, so it's the best thing about this website. You can see your programs as well, just clicking on this my program, and you are getting paid for this. Okay, so it's absolutely genuine website, guys. Okay, So nothing you need to do. You can see there are some recipes as well. I'll show you the some recipes, guys. Okay, these are some recipes. So you can see these are some recipes. So I just click on this one of this recipe and just post comment on this. You can see I just need to post a comment for this. Okay, very nice. What do we say that dish? Okay, let's see. This my comment should not be duplicated. Okay, it should be unique. Let's see first, and let's see. You can see, guys, I have received the points. Okay, you can see. Okay, the bigger you post the comment, the more earning you'll get. Okay, guys, so you can see, guys, a live example that how much points I get by just putting comments. Okay, and it's absolutely free of cost, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. Okay, guys, so just do some surveys, see some resources, and that's it, guys. That's it what you need to do. Okay, so I hope you like this video, guys. Just subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, so that, guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content, and you will be notified my upcoming earning videos. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next video.